Okay, so today we are doing problem find all anagrams in string. Anagram means if you sort the letters, the strings are equal, so same letter count, I guess. And we need to return all occurrences. Now notice that both are 3 times 10 to 4, which is stupid size, because if you want linear solution or n log n, you put 10 to 5, but that's Leetcode. So basically what we want to do is for each starting position, because okay, comparing each substring, okay, let's say how can we do that in like linear time? Well, we do count of this substring, and then we have counts of these, and then we compare the counts, and that's it. Now can we reuse that if we move here? Because you know this k-1 characters is still inside, so if we just subtract this and add this, only these two values change. So if we track how many values, how many elements have same count, and if the same count is equal to the number of distinct elements here, easy business, right? We can do updates in O1 and just slide window and we have ON. So let's do that. So NLN S, NLN P, then we wanna do count P is I guess you can do this, counter P. Never really use these things, but okay. And then we want to do counter S. One edge case, if m is larger than n, return empty list, because there can be no matches, right? And then we do that. Same for in range k, where k is size of alphabet. I mean technically alphabet A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. Okay. So for char in alphabet, then same plus equals count P of char is equal to count of char. Let's see if this runs. Should. Okay. And now if distinct len set P, I think that should work. Same equals DC ans 0 n, right? And then we do if the character is si minus m, if count character is equal to count p character, then count minus equals 1, right? And then if count si, if count Hudson p, elif count h equals count p h plus 1, then same plus equals 1. Okay. if same distinct return answer. I think I've done this problem already, and I think they recommend this problem in the one that I did. Interesting. Same is 26. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How is that possible, bruv? It's gonna be missing one. So if before the count was same, then we will have less, and if it will be equal to, okay, and then we do this, and then if it is same, now we subtract. Oh, count here. BAE ABC, so AB, so 24, that makes sense. Now finally 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so in 6, 6. How is it 2 B's and 1 A, bro? How is that possible? What the hell? BAE, and then so here it's BAE, and here it's BAE, and here it's BAE, and then it's BAB. BAE, that's kind of bad, no? Because you go from BAE here, then we get BAE here and BAE here, so that's 3, 4, 5. BAE, 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 and then we get 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. But okay, and then what's at 8? Somehow missing 8, bruv. And then okay, fair enough. Cannot even write a solution. Wow, that's interesting. Black screen. Will anything pop up? Will I be able to write the solution? Hell yeah. Oh, okay. So let's enter my title. And my title is sliding window ON, right? Intuition. sort is an okay. P is anagram of S if they have the same counts of each letter. Okay, checking we can check this in linear time. Just count chars and compare counts. One question though. If I just do if count B, it's gonna be so stupid if it works. Let's see. Bruh, this also runs. That is so stupid. Okay. We can check this in linear time. Plus size of alphabet. Just count chars and compare counts. Okay, now looking at the we can't do n squared. So if we compute counts for S len P, can we reuse them? Can we use them to calculate for S1 len P plus 1? Can we use them to calculate counts for this and determine if the counts match with counts of P, count P in O1? Yes. Let's calculate the number of letters that have same count for same count in P and in S len P. If all 26 letters have the same count, we add 0 to answer. Then we slide the window by 1, meaning we first have to remove S0 from counts and add S len P. S0, we check if count S0 is equal to count P S0. Which would mean that count of that char will not match after updating the count, so we subtract from the number of letters with same count, same count becomes same as count p as 0. Upgrade, we increment same by 1. Similarly, as len p now comes in counter, so we check whether its count is same or not, or its count as len p minus 1, case we subtract slash add 1 to same. Each move of the sliding window we add I to answer, where I is the end of the last index of the window. Of the sliding window with I to answer, where I is the last index of window, if same 26 on where n len s and m len p, since we first create both counters in on and then slide the window n minus n minus 1 times times which doing O1 work per each slide, each position, space complexity O of k okay.